Welcome to the OpenStack Summit. My name is Serg. I'm working in Mirantis building application catalog for OpenStack. Today I'm going to talk about evolution of application delivery to the end user and applications catalogs. OpenStack Summit is a big event where we're talking all day long about clouds. We discuss how to improve them, how to solve various problems that cloud operator face, but as it happens, the most important thing is left out of the scope. I want to talk about applications. We build clouds to run applications, to scale applications, to supply data to applications, to manage applications, and to make applications highly available. It's all about applications. If there were no applications, there would be no clouds. So how will we deliver application to the end user, and how clouds help us doing that? In Linux world, we all enjoy the magic Linux software wrappers bring to us. We all get used to ability to install application with single yum install or apt-get install command. It seems that they cannot be any better than that. But all of a sudden, big applications came to play. You know, all the service-oriented, highly available, file-tolerant systems with multi-gigabyte distribution spread across tens of machines and consisting of hundreds of components that will make your deployment engineer mad. And it turns to be that what worked well on single machine doesn't work well on that scale. The thing is that you need not just to install application, but to orchestrate the whole big system coordination between components to wire all the services, adjust configuration to reflect changes in environment, load, handle software updates with zero downtime, migrate databases to the new servers, and update data schemes, and so much more. So DevOps people came with shining configuration management tools that could capture their knowledge on how to manage those applications and put them in a cookbooks and recipes that can be applied to a large scale and maintain them. This is what we call automation. And when I say that these tools are great, I really mean it. If you haven't, you should try one. But with all the goods, there's one nasty side effect. They tend to be very specific about environment they operate on. And the bigger these automation tools grow, the harder it gets to adopt them to the different environment. And what we often see is that automation solutions become larger than software they're supposed to manage. But in the same time, clouds and cloud solutions emerged, giving us elastic resource management and elastic solutions that could take advantage of it. Clouds gave applications new tools and new ways to handle big loads, faults, and environment changes. Clouds changed everything in application deployment world. Now, all the powers that previously could be achieved only by using sophisticated configuration management tools became available to application developers in a form of elastic APIs and a form of platform as a service. And the more cloud technologies advance, the easier it becomes to develop these highly scalable, available, and so on applications. And now we have all simple on-machine applications, complex application managed by configuration management solutions, and elastic cloud applications that all have different requirements. So how do we make full-fledged solution out of this heterogeneous mix of technologies and deliver these solutions to the end user? We need a single point of integration between all of these applications and a way to migrate all applications to the cloud. And the answer for that is application catalogs. In the world of applications, there are users who want to deploy from a single application up to large application stacks with absolute possible minimum of efforts, without understanding how everything works and how different parts are implemented. Users want application to be deployed without having to answer tons of questions, but at the same time not to lose control over configuration and resource provisioning. On the other side, these application developers who want to take full advantage of that modern technology can offer, especially when it comes to cloud like OpenStack. They want to be able to build distributed scalable solutions with all the fancy requirements like NoSQL databases, health monitoring systems, service and message buses, and so on, without shifting to the burden of deployment and maintenance to the end user. Imagine what it would be for system administrator if each application would have its own database of all possible kinds and flavors, its worst nightmare. There are also cloud operators that need to control our applications on the cloud. They decide what applications are allowed to do and which resources they are allowed to access. They need to control resource quotas, they need to bill their customers, and they need all the different statistics and cost analysis to do that. Application catalog is where all these roles meet each other. Using application catalog, software vendors can deliver the applications to a wider audience. Software developers can finally use the tools they need rather than tools that system administrator is comfortable with. And users can instantly gain access to thousands of applications in a few mouse clicks, while cloud operators remain in full control over the cloud. Most of you have experience with specialized application catalogs like Google App Store, Apple App Store, Google Play, Chrome Web Store, and know how big they can be. But what open source, non-proprietary, general-purpose application catalog without vendor lock-in? There are not so much of them, especially when it comes to something bigger than yet another WordPress or the lump stack deployment. That's why there's an ongoing project called Murana that aims to bring open source application catalog with no vendor lock-in to no vendor lock-in open source cloud platform, OpenStack. And it's funny how evolution goes around. There were applications repositories that were easy to use, and now we have application catalogs that play the same role in the modern cloud distributed world. We have a new set of technologies that help to deliver applications to the users. We have all the tools to write scalable and highly available applications that will work on your cloud rather than some specific environment. And we have cloud platforms that can run those applications. The only thing we're still really missing is your contribution. Welcome to join and contribute to applications. Thank you.